to Lecavalier. The big gunners all out here to try and close the gap to 1 for the Lightning. St. Louis back to Lecavalier. Fakes, drive, score! They are back to within 1. That was a Craftsman power play that was really Craftsman-like.
Don't believe that this puck is ever touched, and this thing finds its way through Tim Thomas. Great patience. St. Louis, Lecavalier play catch a little bit. Yeah, right between the legs. That puck cannot go in from there. That's what you call a 5-hole.
It really seems easy to stop when you slow it down like that, doesn't it?
I don't know if he was waiting for a tip. Sometimes you see bodies, you see